is designed so that if there is an explosion in it, it will contain the explosion and it will not release any spark or heat from that explosion. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the Word This Week. I'm Leonard with Gulf Copper Energy Services, a division of Gulf Copper Manufacturing. Our word this week is intrinsically safe. I'm going to share with you the definition of intrinsically safe, and we're going to compare the concept of intrinsically safe with the concept of explosion proof so that you are aware of the difference between the two. I went online and got a great definition of intrinsically safe from a document I found published by AGEX, A-E-G-E-X. I give them credit. You find it online, and the title of the document is Intrinsically Safe Concepts and Standards Summary. Great document. I recommend you reach out and have a good read if you're interested. So their definition is a device termed intrinsically safe is engineered, designed, and most importantly certified to be incapable of producing heat or spark sufficient to ignite an explosive atmosphere regardless of the source of the atmosphere, be it flammable gases, vapors, or combustible dusts or fibers. So tablets, cell phones, smartphones, PDAs, and other handheld devices can be ignition sources for explosives and therefore are not intrinsically safe. An intrinsically safe device will not ignite explosives. So the design and concept of something that is intrinsically safe is that it is incapable of producing a spark or heat source that would ignite any explosive atmosphere or hazardous atmosphere regardless of what happens to it. Now, this concept is different than the concept of explosion proof. Let me read you the definition I have for explosion proof. An explosion proof apparatus is an apparatus enclosed in a case that is capable of withstanding explosion of a specified gas or vapor that may occur within it, and of preventing the ignition of a specified gas or vapor which is surrounding the enclosure by sparks, flashes, or explosion of the gas or vapor within, and it operates at such an external temperature that it will not ignite a surrounding flammable atmosphere. So the concept of explosion proof is that all of the electrical apparatus is inside an enclosure. That enclosure may have a vent or small opening, but it itself is designed so that if there is an explosion in it, it will contain the explosion and it will not release any spark or heat from that explosion such that it would ignite any explosive gas or atmosphere that surrounds that enclosure. Which is different than intrinsically safe. Intrinsically safe, the entire apparatus itself is incapable of producing a spark or heat that would ignite an explosive atmosphere or hazardous atmosphere. Two different concepts to achieve the same level of safety with electrical or electronic equipment in explosive or hazardous atmospheres. So there you have it, the word of this week, intrinsically safe. Looking forward to seeing you back here next week when our word will be dead man. Dead man is a maritime term. I learned that term when I was a wee man this big. I'll share with you that story next week. Until then, I'm Leonard with Gulf Copper Energy Services. We provide marine repair and upgrade services to marine assets from our locations in Texas and Mexico. Looking forward to seeing you back here next week. Until then, be safe in all that you do. Bye.